No! 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 So today we are gonna play Granny Chapter 2. So let's get started. The story with Grandpa and actually let's do it both. So this might be hard for me because I haven't done it both actually. So I know a few tricks, but I think I would be good at it. Not too sure. Okay. Let me close that. Okay, what's in here? Okay, nothing. Come on. Come on, Grandpa. Oh my god. Okay, what about Granny? Oh my god, Granny's upstairs, so okay, no, she's not. Okay, go. Okay. Duct tape. Actually, let's escape from the helicopter. Because, the helicopter's very fun to ride. It's extremely fun to ride it, actually. Stun gun, notice the fuse. Get the fuse over there. Let me go right here. Give me the stun gun. So, Granny? How? Okay. Never mind. Okay, go over there. Oop, okay. Okay, give me the key. Key. Thank you very much. Okay. I don't need the door handle. Okay. What's in here? I don't need the handwheel. I just need peace. Okay, nothing there. Okay. I think. Okay, I think I know where's the helicopter menu. Okay, that's the helicopter key. Okay, the helicopter menu is right. Nope, it's not there. Wait a minute. I think I know where it is. It's right. No, what? Wait, no, it is. Oh, wait, yeah, it is. Just, I thought it wasn't there, but it was. So take that out of there. Is this gasoline? Oh, there's a crowbar. I'm gonna need the padlock key. Okay. I might need the crowbar actually. Yeah, let me get the crowbar. Can I actually take this out of here? Thank you. Okay. Please, gasoline. Oh, wait, hold on. I think the gasoline might have. No, actually, the cutting pliers might have, I think the box. This box has I think it has. I can't even talk. I think it will have. Oh my god. The gasoline, yeah, the gasoline. Oh man, I can't even talk. Okay. I think it's time for them to wake up. Okay, if this phone doesn't get up. There's no time. Oh, there they are, and give me this. Kick over their full. Don't grab my hand. You're disgusting. Very disgusting. Like super disgusting, actually. Grandpa, take that. Oh my god, move out the way, Granny. Granny! Thank you. Okay. Oh my god, would this not move out the way? Why? Okay. Okay. I think I'm doing very good. I'm just gonna boop and you boop and boop. I am very, 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 very mad. Super duper mad. Let me get my, oh my god, chair. It's not the time. Not the time. Let me unlock this. It's not the time. Okay. I swear if the gasoline is like over there to the babies, the baby, and I'm gonna go over there to the baby so I can, oh my god, I'm pretty mad. I am super duper 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 mad actually. Did I check 10 a.m.? Yeah, but did check there. I am mad. I'm just mad. Now I got where is even the wrench? Where's the wrench? Wait. Please tell me. Oh my god, I'm pretty mad. Okay, I need to focus. I know this is the thing I need to do. I just need to focus. I need to focus. Oh man, okay. I don't think. Okay. Oh no! Oh my god! Yo! Oh god! Granny, no, please! Oh my god, you're so blind. Oh my goodness, you are so blind. Yo, Dad. Go before it's too late. Okay. Granny, Grandpa, are you coming? Okay, there's Granny. But where's Grandpa? Grandpa, you better. Okay, there's Grandpa. Okay, good. Okay. Gotta hurry up. Okay. Okay. Go right here. Go right here and boop. Go again. Go right here and boop. Where's the other picture? Okay, there it is. Okay. And boop. Okay, get this. Boop. And get this. Boop. Boop. Get it done. Boop. And please don't tell me. No! Yo! Oh no, I'm at day 2. Day 2. Darn it. Ugh. Oh man, that's a bummer. Okay. Okay. I can still do it. Just I need to be smart. I just need to be smart. Okay, grandpa. Then where's Granny? Granny, you always take so long. Granny, okay, there you are. You took like a million years. Okay, go. Okay. Where's, okay, I don't need this stun gun. I need, oh my god, come on. Okay. Where's the gas field? Where's the gas? Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. I'm actually losing. I am so mad at this game. Why did it drop? Give me the stun gun before she kills me. Oh my god. Okay, there she is. Oh my god, you're so blind. She was looking for something. I think she was looking for me. And now she's like, yeah, she is blind. Where is your husband? I want to stun him. Oh my god. Dude doesn't even care about his wife. Okay, screw this. I don't need you, Grandpa. I just need this. Okay. Boop. And I need this donkey. This donkey. Okay. I gotta go shoot. If you know what I mean. This. Okay, this is pretty fun. Oh, I got 2 in the row. Yeah, boop. Oh, first try. Not gonna lie. First try. Okay. Let me get the gas wheel or fuse. And let me put this right here. And okay, nothing. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna have fun with these. If you know what I mean. I'm gonna have such a fun day. Okay, let me drop this. Okay. I don't need this. This is useless. Actually, gonna wait. Okay, let me wait 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. Alright, let me think. Where's like the gasoline? It's either it's not in the sewers because I think it's never in there. So I think it's like in like the babies, the babies. But yeah, I think it's been only 2 minutes. Granny, oh my god, why can this not drop? Oh my, it's frozen. Come on, drop. Thank you. Okay. Granny. Okay, there she is. Is that Granny? Where's your? Oh yeah, that's right. Your husband's deaf. He's the worst. No. I'm mad. Oop, she gone. She's like a gunner. She's a gunner. Okay, I gotta be fast so I can explode Grandpa next. Come on. Come on, come on. Okay. Okay, explode him. Go faster. Okay, I don't think that did nothing at all. I am mad. I'm mad. I'm mad. I am mad. Why? I should have. Add, please. Not the time. Oh, I'm at day 3. Why? Oh my god, I'm super duper. I'm just mad. Oh my god. Oh man, yo. Okay, let me do that. Let me do it 2 times. 2 times in a row. Okay. Granny or Grandpa. Okay, this go Grandpa. Okay, pretty fancy. Granny. Is Granny still down? Don't tell me she's still. I'm just mad. Oh my god, Grandpa. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo. I swear to goodness. Wait, there's a wrench! Oh my god, I am so dumb. I was looking for the wrench, but I'm so dumb. I'm just dumb. I am just dumb. Okay. Is there an extra bomb so I can bomb them? Like actually, okay, there's the extra bomb. I'm gonna get this extra bomb and put it right there. And let me get my, actually what's in here? Hand wheel. Okay, let me get my hand wheel. So, right, actually, let's try. I hope I don't. Okay, did mine work or not? I gotta. Okay, hey. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna waste that. Yeah. And over here. Granny or. Granny? I'm just gonna drop it. Hehehehe. Boom. I am dumb. I am extremely dumb. Why? Why did I? Okay, I'm just dumb. I'm just dumb. Okay. I am just dumb. Let me just drop this over here and it might be go! Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm just scared. Okay, guys. Me just scared. Okay. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Okay. Let me get this. Yeah, let me get that. And let me drop this. And where's the... Okay, Granny, are you coming? Yes, there she is. And, okay. Hey, Granny! Granny! Holy. You can... No. Okay. Doing good. Go. I'm doing super good. I'm just doing good, okay? Okay. You guys, please hurry up. Okay. There goes Grandpa. Where's Granny? Granny, you take a long time. Granny! Grandma! Mama! Amma! Ah! Okay, you took a year. Oh my god. Okay. She does take a year, actually. No wonder she's old. Okay, where's the thing? Okay, the bomb, actually. Where's the bomb? Bomb? Okay, this is the bomb. The bomb is fine, guys. Bomb is fine. Let me get the bomb fast. Okay, let me wait for them. Come on, it won't take that long. Okay. I am so dumb. Why? Why did I do that? Oh my, I'm just mad. I am mad. I'm so mad. Boop. Take that. Yeah, you do like that. Wait. No. Wait, yes. Actually, yes. I forgot. Where's the house? Oh my god. Come on, I don't have time. Me don't have time. Guys. Oh, there's Granny. Oh. Risk. Okay, guys. I'm gonna boop. Okay. I'm gonna yes. Grandpa. Boop. Okay. Give me the wrench. Cause I don't have time. Okay. I gotta go fast. Okay. Okay. Gotta go fast. I don't have time for this. I actually gotta go fast. Okay. Eat that. Go! What are you doing? You crazy. Oh man. I just gasoline? Yes! Gas. Lean. Gas. Gasoline. Yep, that's right. I'm gonna escape. Oh yes, I'm gonna escape. Boop. Get that. Helicopter key. Boop. And duct tape. And boop. And fix up this. And now look at this gasoline. Okay, this took me 24 minutes. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Come on, it won't take that long. And there. Now I need to shove up the key and we'll be fine. Okay. Okay. Let's write this baby. Let's go. I escaped. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Okay. And there they are. Hahaha. Yes, take that. I escaped. Let's go. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please. I know I started YouTube. I'm a starter, so please subscribe, comment, and like. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Peace.